Hi guys, Josh, TSX Travels, and today we're once again at the happiest place on earth, Lyle Pearson. This again is Chris Downs, Master Technician, aka Indentured Slave. And so, what are you doing to my car, dude?
We're putting a new torque converter seal in it.
All right.
Put axle seals and a rear main as well while we're there.
All kinds of good stuff.
Yes.
Why don't you kind of briefly walk us through it?
So,
I mean, obviously it's been needing to get done here for a little while. You can see all the gunk and the buildup, but go ahead and lay it out for us.
So first step was to disconnect all the wiring on the top and electrical connectors, and then second step underneath is disconnecting the suspension components and the removal of the subframe, as you can see behind Josh here.
Yeah, and there she is.
That's what holds engine transmission assembly in.
Looks kind of crazy when it's out.
That's a power steering rack attached
Oh yeah.
to it.
Yeah. Nice. And there's the, what is that, the cat?
Yep.
Yep.
Catalytic converter. Next step will be to pull the drive axles out and using a second transmission jack and pull the transmission out, which is this big greasy
mess, which will leave a gaping maw, which we'll check out later.
Correct. Yeah, and then as far as changing the torque converter seal, we'll pull the torque converter out of the transmission, and there's a O-ring on that, and then the seal that is recessed into the transmission, we'll replace that. And then while we're there, we're going to remove your drive plate off the back of the engine and push a new rear main seal into that.
Excellent, and we'll try to get some footage of that later. I've got to go up to Cascade, which is up in the mountains, about an hour and a half or so each way. So Chris is going to pull this out while I'm gone, get some other stuff done in the meantime, and we'll check back here in just a little bit. And we're back. And so he's got the transmission out. As you can plainly see, there's just nothing there anymore. And he was pointing out the main seal was needing to get replaced here pretty quick anyway, seeing as how its current condition doesn't look so hot. Crisis averted.
Correct.
And here she is, the transmission out for the very first time, getting some fresh air.
Some much needed fresh air.
And that there, my friends, is buildup on the flywheel from 100 and, well, almost 100 oil changes worth.
Yep.
But yeah, over 530,000 miles worth of debris buildup over the years, 11 years now. And yeah, it was time to kind of crack this thing open and see what was going on.
You want a video while I'm pulling this thing out right now?
Yeah, pull it out. Whip it out.
There you go, there's your leak.
Oh, the culprit.
Yeah, so all that buildup there is torque converter seal leak.
Yeah. Well, that's why we're here.
Yep, that's the...
Well, I mean, it's not too bad considering.
Nope, it's not. I've seen a lot worse on a lot less miles.
Yeah. So we're doing the torque converter seal. We're doing
Shift shaft seal.
Right there, a shift shaft. We're doing the axle seals.
Both sides.
Since she's out, we're gonna do the works here.
Correct.
We're doing the main over on the motor.
Rear main seal, and then a rear engine mount.
Yeah, pulling the cradle out, we found this engine mount is split right here, so we're doing that while it's just 4 bolts. There's Ken.
We charge you for,
Oh, there's Jim. Jim is the PDR king. He does excellent work, actually, as much as a hard time that we give him. So yeah, there she is. And I think we're going to do some additional footage of Chris doing his thing.
Sounds good to me.
All right, we'll catch you here in another minute.
me turning up and turning down, I'm turning in, I'm turning right, I'm turning Japanese. I think I'm turning Japanese, I really think so. Turning Japanese, I think I'm turning Japanese, I really think so. Turning Japanese, I think I'm turning Japanese, I really think so. Turning Japanese, I think I'm turning Japanese, I really think so. I got your picture, I'd like a million of them around myself. I want the doctor to take a picture so I can look at you from inside as well. You got me turning up and turning down, I'm turning in, I'm turning right, I'm turning Japanese. I think I'm turning Japanese, I really think so. Turning Japanese, I think I'm turning Japanese, I really think so. Turning Japanese, I think I'm turning Japanese, I really think so. Turning Japanese, I think I'm turning Japanese, I really think so. No sex, no drugs, no wine, no women, no fun, no sin, no you, no wonder it's dark. Everyone around me is a total stranger. Everyone avoids me like a cyclone ranger. Everyone. That's why I'm turning Japanese, I think I'm turning Japanese, I really think so. Turning Japanese, I think
And there you have it, guys. New torque converter seal, new rear main, new axle seals, new motor mount, new splash shield, the works. Shout out to Chris and Travis at Lyle Pearson Acura in Boise. Thanks for helping out and get her back on the road and up to speed. If you guys like the video, give it the old thumbs upage. Obviously this wasn't a tutorial or do it with yourself video, just documenting what's been going on with the old girl, keeping you guys in the loop. They said put some miles on it. Right now I'm about 200 miles post-service, and I'm out by Richland, Oregon on my way back to Baker City. Nothing wrong with this. Feel free to check out my other videos. If you like those as well, hit subscribe. Because let's be honest, who doesn't want more of that? Appreciate you guys stopping by. Hope you're having a great day. See you on the next one.